Ever wish you could take the perfect notes? Well, you're in luck because I've been on a mission to find the ultimate note taking app. And let me tell you, I've got some thoughts. So buckle up because today we're diving into GoodNotes, Notability, and Noteful. Three heavy hitters in the note taking world. Let's start with GoodNotes. If you're a digital perfectionist like me, you'll love this app. The clean interface and handwriting recognition, chef's kiss. You can create notebooks, import PDFs, annotate them, and organize them in folders like a pro. But here's the catch, it's not free. You'll get a 7-day free trial test to test it out before committing. But if you're all about structured, pretty notes, this one might be your best friend. Next up is Notability, where note taking meets audio recording. Perfect for those who like to attend lectures or meetings and want to capture both written notes and audio at the same time. Imagine writing down your notes and tapping on them later to hear exactly what was said at that moment. It's a game changer. Notability also lets you add PDFs, images, and other fun stuff. So if you like mixing visuals with audio, Notability's got your back. Now let's talk Noteful. This one's the new kid on the block, but it's not messing around. Multiple tabs? Check. Handwriting and shape recognition? Double check. It's got this sleek, modern interface that's perfect for multitaskers if you need to juggle several projects or ideas at once. This one's got your name on it. So who wins? Well, if you want sleek, structured note taking, GoodNotes is your best bet. If you need audio features and customization, Notability takes the crown. But if multitasking is your vibe, Noteful's the app to beat. That's all for today, folks. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because trust me, you don't want to miss out on my next deep dive into the world of apps.